Oil prices edged higher this week after United States President Donald Trump announced that India will soon stop importing oil from Russia, a move that immediately impacted market sentiment. On Thursday, Brent crude was trading at $62.39 per barrel, a modest gain that reversed a recent 5-month low. West Texas Intermediate, the main U.S. oil benchmark, also rose to $58.50. According to President Trump, India's decision to halt Russian oil imports is expected to ease concerns over global oversupply, with Trump urging China to follow India's lead. Although the process won't happen overnight, the market quickly responded to the news, seeing it as a sign of shifting global supply dynamics. The International Energy Agency had recently warned of a possible supply glut, with output from OPEC+ nations and the United States climbing. However, Trump's announcement reassured investors, offsetting fears about oversupply. Meanwhile, traders remain cautious about ongoing U.S.-China trade tensions. Trump last week imposed a 100% tariff on Chinese goods starting November 1st, though he later claimed that the situation will be resolved. Still, the market remains wary, especially after U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said China can't be trusted and encouraged America's allies to diversify energy sources. Oil prices also found support from a weaker U.S. dollar, following signals of a likely Federal Reserve interest rate cut at its next meeting. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's dovish tone earlier in the week triggered a dollar pullback, making oil more attractive for global investors. With multiple factors at play, from Trump's announcement about India and Russian oil to ongoing U.S.-China tensions and central bank policy, oil prices are recovering. Investors are closely watching for further developments, including any moves from China or additional statements from the White House. Stay tuned for continuing coverage on Trump's impact on oil prices, India's energy shift, and the future of the global oil market.